Hey, what's up you guys? Jay Styles, all things Styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, hey, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, hey, as always, thanks a lot, I appreciate it. So today for you guys we have a sublimation hack. We're responding to a question that we had. So we got some sublimation glitter here, or we got some white glitter here that we're gonna sublimate on rather. This is Sizer glitter. It can be purchased at Heat Transfer Warehouse. There's a link in the description below as always. So for the first part, our press is set for 400 degrees. We're gonna let this sit for like 5 or 6 seconds. Then we'll get to the sublimation part. Now for sublimation, you're gonna need a few things. One is a sublimated printed item. That's gonna come from your sublimation printer or someone who provides transfers. Also butcher paper, copy paper, just something, even parchment paper, but no wax paper. You're also gonna need some heat tape. And the last but not least, a t-shirt. All those things combined, pretty spiffy item will come out. So you guys hang tight and we'll get one of those spiffy items done for you guys today. Also note that for this method you don't need a vinyl cutter. However, I did use mine to get a more precise square. Hey, you ever know how hard it is to say that word? Try saying it 5 times fast. So anyway, 400 degrees for our press. And we'll get back to the rest of the video. You guys enjoy your day. Okay, so today we'll be using these jersey long sleeve shirts. These are 100% cotton. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up that tag, but these are 100% cotton. As always, you want to get your shirt on the press. Give it a pre-press. A few seconds, get any kind of moisture out of your garment. All of that steam is like the excess. I don't know if the camera picked that up. There's like a lot of moisture from having this shirt stored in like an actual cardboard box. A lot of my off-season items I have them stored away in a actual box, like the last of my inventory. So always you need your lint brush. Now we have our white glitter vinyl, and again our press is at 400 degrees. We're going to tack this down and we're going to let it sit for about we're going to let this sit for about 5 to 6 seconds. When dealing with your HTV, you always want to double check your carrier sheet to make sure there's no excess pieces of vinyl, because it will stick to your garment. We got a shirt ruler. These can also be purchased at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Link in the description. Once again, about 5-6 seconds. Remove your carrier sheet. your sublimation image. You want to get your heat tape. Your butcher paper. In this case, we only need one because we don't need one in between because it's not going to seep through the glitter. And then we're going to press this for the full 60 seconds. So how's it going for you guys? I take it you guys made it through Monday unscathed. That's a real good look. And the fact that you guys are watching this video is also a good look. In fact, it's a great look. Keep that up. Subscribe to the channel. So again, this is in response to the question that I got on the earlier video, and I hope this explained more in depth as far as the sublimation on the white glitter. It's hot. And despite my best efforts, we have a little bit of the paper showing through on our image, but it's okay. We'll get us a fabric marker and no one will be none the wiser. Other than that though, it came out pretty good. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. And as always, you guys be kind.